In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and managing one's time efficiently is more important than ever. With countless demands on our daily lives, the utility of technology in the form of apps can help streamline tasks and make our days more productive. This narrative explores some of the best apps for organizing time and managing tasks, catering to both personal and professional needs. Firstly, Todoist stands out as a powerhouse in task management. It is known for its simple yet effective interface that allows users to create tasks quickly, set deadlines, and prioritize daily routines. The app seamlessly integrates with third-party services like Google Calendar, which means you can keep your schedule in one place. Moreover, its ability to work offline ensures you are never disconnected, even when on the go. Todoist's innovative use of karma points awards users for completing tasks, motivating them to stay on track and maintain productivity. For those who prefer a more visually driven approach, Trello offers an intuitive platform packed with features. With boards, lists, and cards, its user-friendly design enables easy collaboration and task tracking, making it an ideal tool for team-based projects. Its drag-and-drop feature allows users to prioritize tasks swiftly, while the integration with apps like Slack and Evernote enhances coordination. Whether organizing a project or personal tasks, Trello's visual layout allows for a complete overview of progress, deadlines, and priorities at a glance. If you're seeking a comprehensive planner, Notion might be the app for you. Notion is an all-in-one workspace combining notes, databases, task lists, and wikis. Its powerful database features allow users to track tasks with ease. Notion's flexibility and customizability stand out, as users can create templates that fit their unique workflows. Its cross-platform accessibility ensures users can manage their time from any device without missing a beat. Lastly, for those who seek simplicity, Google Keep is an excellent choice. This minimalist app allows users to capture quick notes, set reminders, and organize ideas with color-coded labels. It's ideal for users who need a no-fuss, straightforward approach to organizing their thoughts on the fly. With the ability to share notes with others and integration across the Google Suite, Google Keep maintains a balance between simplicity and functionality. In conclusion, these apps cater to a broad range of preferences and needs, whether you're managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders or streamlining personal tasks. Their unique features can transform the way you manage tasks and organize time, offering solutions to keep you focused, productive, and on top of your day.